오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook special cabbage. Yes, very delicious. And we need this some sour cream. Is this cabbage cook is sour cream is very important. Yes. Now I will introduce the ingredients: cabbage and this onion and minced meat and sour cream and salt. Yes. From now I will cooking. Yes, from now I'm cooking. You know this cabbage I cooked, you know. And first we put here. And then this minced meat I put with the onion. I fried. Nice. Nice. Then I put this sour cream. One more. Wow, so nice. Bobby, 하지 마. Bobby want to eat, huh? Wow, so nice. Yes, from now we put oven, small oven, yes. After 20 minutes, it's ready. Now I will cut. Wow, very nice. Ready? Wow, very nice smell. Wow, looks very delicious. Wow. Thank you.